Hi, we'll be solving a remainders problem today. What is the remainder obtained when 63 raised to 26 is divided by 16? Now we have a very big number, 63 raised to 26, and we have to divide it by 16. Now whenever we have this kind of problems, we'll be using a concept called as binomial theorem. Check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I talk about binomial theorem in a lot more detail. Now, in order to apply binomial theorem, we need to split 63 into two numbers. One number has to be a multiple of 16 and has to be a very big number, closer to 63. Another number has to be a very small number. So that means 63 can be split as 64 minus 1 raised to 26, where 64 is a multiple of 16 and 1 is a very small number. Now, the reason we are doing this is when we are going to expand this expression using binomial theorem, then we are going to get a lot of terms which are multiple of 64 or multiple of 16, and only one term which is not a multiple of 16. So the remainder of all those terms by 16 will actually be equal to 0, and our problem will be reduced to a very small number. So let's expand this using binomial theorem. So we can write this as 26C0, 64 raised to 26, minus 1 raised to 0, and so on. Let's understand this term. So at the top of the combination, you'll always have a 26. Then you have a combination. Bottom starts with 0. It keeps on increasing till it reaches 26. Power of 64 starts with 26, keeps on decreasing till it reaches 0. And power of minus 1 starts with 0, keeps on increasing till it reaches 26. That means the second term will be 26C1, 64 raised to 25, minus 1 raised to 1, and so on. So the second last term going like this will be 26C25, 64 raised to 1, and minus 1 raised to 25. And the last term will be 26C26, 64 raised to 0, minus 1 raised to 26. Now, if you look at all these terms, apart from the last one, all of these terms are actually multiples of 64. That means they'll be divisible by 16 and their remainder will be 0. So our question is reduced to what is the remainder when this term is divided by 16? Now we know 26C26 will be equal to 1, 64 raised to 0 will be equal to 1, and minus 1 raised to 26 will also be equal to 1. That means our question is reduced to what is the remainder when 1 is divided by 16? And the answer will be remainder is 1. So answer will be option number A. Hope you found this video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.